in the birthplace of Chinese civilization. History has witnessed many old yet everlasting stories. Food is the most basic necessity of the people. In the Central Plains, the granary of China, we have spent more than 50 years writing stories about grain. Grain is nature's most precious gift to humankind, and we build various homes for it. From the hot and humid South China to the snowy frontier of Northeast China, from rainy Yangtze River Delta to dusty Loess Plateau, from the rain-stricken rainforest in South America to the desert in Africa, from hot and humid coast of the Middle East to ice-covered northern Asia. People take care of every grain, and it is our responsibility to keep it safe, comfortable, and fresh. In China, one of every 2 granaries is designed by COFCO. 70% grains are transferred in the port terminal logistics system, designed by COFCO. We enable the homes of grain to intelligently perceive and control the temperature, humidity, mildew, and pest of grain, and all of which shows our most meticulous care for nature's gift. We use the latest technology to simulate every link and eliminate mistakes and defects in the bud. We have simulated every storage and processing project more accurately by using the advanced BIM technology to solve the problems in project planning, design, construction and operation in an integrated way. We use discrete element technology to simulate the travel of each grain in the system to ensure that its care in all aspects of the whole process. To help make the beautiful blueprint turn into reality, we mastered the engineering planning, design, construction, equipment manufacturing, installation and commissioning, detection and operation, and we call it a complete industrial chain of engineering. We have systematically developed standards and extended our experience to the whole country and even worldwide to provide innovation, green, efficient, and intelligent facilities back to Mother Nature. In China, in order to assist nation to formulating the strategy of development of grain industry, we find out the most effective and economic solution by evaluating with mathematical module simulation, measuring and planning distribution of grain logistic and processing in China or specific regions. We participated in 13th Five-Years Development Plan, which organized by National Grain Logistic in 2016, and kept devoting ourselves to develop Chinese grain industry. At the beginning of 2011, we deeply participated in project of National Grain Storage and Logistic in Algeria. For now, 9 points of grain storage and logistic have been established in Algeria with total 350,000 metric ton capacity. Phase 2 contained 13 points is under processing. With the completion of this project, the issues of grain safety and development of grain industry have been improved effectively. We also designed grain storage project at Fujairah Port in Arab, under the EU and NA's standard and design guides. Storage capable reached to 250,000 metric tons. We carry out the most advanced technology of 24 hours low temperature storage to solve the issues of storage in high temperature and high humidity area. In the future, we are still participating in the project of One Belt One Road, to serve all countries, which are related with the project to plan the strategy of grain industries, and construct more facilities of grain storage and processing. We have one of the best teams in design and constructing for grain storage and logistic in the world, and have constructed many significant projects. We have constructed the biggest facilities of grain logistic in Asia. We have designed the world's largest single grain silo. The grain in each silo can satisfy the needs of 300,000 people for 1 year. Guangzhou Nansha Port, Dongguan Xiwan Port, Dongguan National Grain Storage, Shandong Lonkou Steel Silo. All of these were designed by us. Besides, we also have capable to design the full sets of grain logistic and processing project, and machinery manufacturing and installation. Our dryers were installed all of China, make sure the quality of grain is under control. To care for and cherish the grain, is care for human being ourselves. This is what we have done, and we are doing, and we shall do, forever.